What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. And as you can see, we're doing something a little bit different today. If you notice from the title, I'm going to show you guys how to do this top knot bun with short hair. If you remember from my last video, I relaxed my hair, and I'm going to actually post that video in the description box as well, so you can check that one out. I relaxed my short hair. My pixie cut is growing out, so I tried to do a top knot. I was like, let me see if I can get a ponytail and do a top knot bun with short hair. This was my first time trying it, guys, and when I tell you it was a challenge, but I did it. I found a method that really worked well for my hair, you know, short hair, and you know, I'm putting it all together, so you'll be able to see me do it step by step. Yes, it was challenges, but guess what? This is the outcome. So come on, check this video out.
But none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon? Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalist flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she would Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran or remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check her, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I was an actor, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that? If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone with so late, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed.
All right, beauties, we are done. This is the completed look. When I tell you, I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. If you have any comments or any feedback, please leave it in the comment box. Also, don't forget to like the video, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you guys, and until next time.